if we discuss about that, what is a dynamic CRM? So dynamic CRM is a product of customer relationship management software released by Microsoft. So I believe that you are aware of CRM, that what is a CRM? Basically, CRM stands for customer relationship management. And what's the advantage of that software? That what is the advantage of product? So the advantage of CRM product is that by using CRM or by using a CRM product, whether it's a dynamic CRM or any other CRM, by using that, we can easily manage the information of our customers, the product which we are offering to them, and the sales and their customer service and the campaign what we are doing. So we can manage all the things within a single product, right? So basically it's a name of a system or model which is used by manage or which is used by a company to manage their company's interaction with its current or future clients or customer. And I can also say that it is a piece of technology which is used to organize, automate, and synchronize all of the customer facing areas within the companies, from marketing to sales to customer service and to technical support, because you know that in every organization the technical support is also important, marketing is also important, and sales is also important. So the marketing, sales, and customer service, all of them, they, so instead of installing three different products from them, we can manage within a single product. So that is a dynamic CRM. And the advantage of dynamic CRM is or that we can easily manage the customer database or a sales database from a centralized server, so that information can be stored on a centralized place and we can access it from anywhere, from any part of the world, right? So basically it's a customer relationship management software which is released by Microsoft, and you know that because it's a Microsoft, it is released by Microsoft, so the working on dynamic CRM will be pretty easy because all of the Microsoft products are user friendly. So we can easily work on the dynamic CRM, and it will be a user friendly product, easy to access. Okay. And the CRM software is user friendly and it helps in improving the client customer relationship. So mainly, or the basically the main use of CRM is to improve the relationship between client and the customer. Okay. And to improve the sale of a company, to maintain the information, to maintain the client information, a customer record of a company. So Microsoft Dynamics CRM is a business software application that allows companies of all sizes of tracks, not from small to big or large scale companies or small scale companies, and they can easily manage and reports on customer interaction. And because Microsoft Dynamics CRM is a part of Microsoft Dynamic brands, so which offers multiple software product to help help the biz to automate the business and streamlining various different, there are various operations as well in dynamic CRM, so we can easily work on those operations such as the financial analysis, customer relationship, supply chain management, manufacturing, inventory, human resources, and so on. So by using dynamic CRM product, we can easily maintain the SCM or the manufacturing or the inventory product, okay, or the HR information. We can easily maintain that within dynamic CRM. So as you can see here, so that dynamic CRM is designed to help you to improve business, which is the outcoming from sales, marketing, and customer service. And you can display it on the cloud as well as on premises as well. So the best part of dynamic CRM is that if you are not interested, if you don't want to set up a dynamic CRM at your end, you can access it from the cloud. Or if you want to set up at your end, or you want everything by in your hand, so you can set up a dynamic CRM on your on premises, and then you can access it, or you can allow your customers or users to access your CRM information from on which is configured on premises. And along with that, along with that, we can easily integrate it with our existing systems to improve information sharing. For example, if you have already using a system like finance or logistic or ERP, so we can easily integrate our existing system with our dynamic CRM. So integration can be done very easily. So that's the advantage of a dynamic CRM. And obviously, as I told you, that it's a Microsoft product, so it will be very easy to use, and the interface and the working on dynamic CRM is pretty easy, right? Now, Dynamic CRM system can be accessed from any ways, like not only we can access Dynamic CRM on our local system, on our laptop or our desktop. Along with that, we can access Dynamic CRM from iPads or from mobile phones or from multimedia phones, okay, from smartphones, tablets, iPads, mobiles, from anywhere. And you can see here from Outlook as well. Why I mentioned Outlook here? Because Dynamics, we can easily configure Dynamic CRM with our Outlook, and once it is configured, you can create new records into Dynamic CRM. You can read the data, you can generate reports, you can send emails. Means the means instead of setting a software or dynamic CRM application on your system, if you have configured with your Outlook, then you do not need to set up a dynamic CRM. You can easily configure with Outlook, and from within Outlook we can it can be easily integrated with Outlook, and by using that we can directly send an email to our clients and send and receive emails to our clients. Now, dynamic CRM functionality. So there are three major functionalities as we have. It supports sales, marketing, and service. It is customizable and marketplace. So what about these? What are support, sales, marketing, and service? Basically, Microsoft Dynamics CRM helps you to drive consistent and measurable improvement in everyday business process, like support sales, marketing, and service function of the organization. So basically, Microsoft Dynamics CRM or Dynamics CRM, it is designed to support sales, marketing, and service of an organization, and it is highly customizable to fit the unique needs of all kind of organization. It is okay, and we can customize it as per our requirement, okay, and according based on the use of customers, based on the use of an organization, it can be customized. And there are third parties applications are there, so we can easily integrate Dynamic CRM with third party applications, and we can connect to Dynamic CRM, we can access the information on by using third party applications as well, right? So I can say that third parties can create solutions to add on the softwares, and they can be purchased from third party marketplaces. So on online there are marketplaces available, and by using that we can purchase the applications, and we can easily integrate that application with our dynamic CRM online, and then we can access our information in that applications, in third party applications, right? Now, the CRM functional area. It is very important, because the CRM, basically I can say that these are the three pillars, or these are the three building blocks of a CRM. What are the three functional areas? First is sales, second is marketing, and third is customer care. So any organization, it depends on these three: sales, marketing, and customer care. And it is very important for a company, especially for a company or for an organization which sells product, like, okay, or which offer products to their customers. So sales, marketing, and customer care. And what happens in all these three, so I'm going to explain you one by one. So let's discuss about the sales functionality first. So what is in sales functionality? It maintains leads, or prospecting and qualifying leads, and it manage opportunities and keep track to stage of deal closures. So the deal has been closed or not, or the customer is ready to place an order or not, okay, or the customer has placed an order or not. So that all will be maintained within opportunities. Then we have communication tracking. So communication tracking means it, by using this communication tracking functionality of the sales, we can easily track the communication between sales people and the customer. Now, what type of communication? Like whether the salesperson has communicated to customer or not, by sending emails, or making phone calls to them, or sending messages to them, or like they have communicated, they have fixed a meeting with them, with the customers, okay. So everything can be tracked easily with this communication tracking feature in sales functionality. Then we have a product database. So within sales functionality, we can maintain a huge product database, and these products are those which we are going to offer to our customers, okay. And in this product database, we can easily maintain our products, the list of our products, about their price, okay, and what will be selling price, how much does it cost to us. So everything will be maintained within this product database. Excuse me. Sales process. So using sales process, it guides the sales representative through the sales life cycle using workflows, process, and dialog boxes. So there are some automated processes in Salesforce, in dynamic CRM sales functionality like workflows, processes, and dialog box. So there is a complete sales process, so which guides the salesperson, sales representative to go through a process. Okay, so they don't have to manage, and means they don't have to do it manually. Everything will be automated. Only thing is they have to manage it. They have to fill up the details, they have to enter the information, and rest of the things will be managed automatically. There are automated workflows available in sales functionality, so by using those workflows we can work on it. I'll give you a quick example of a workflow. Let's suppose I would like to, let's suppose a customer the customer is ready to place an order with us. So once he confirmed the order, once he placed the order, I would like to send an automated email to my customer that your order has been placed, or your thanks for, or like any kind of email that thanks for ordering with us, or thanks for doing business with us, or placing order with us. Any kind of confirmation I would like to send in to inform the customer. So that is an automated process. So we can create workflows, or we can manage those workflows as well within in Dynamics CRM. Now, offline and mobile device access. What is this offline and mobile device access? Like on Dynamic CRM, for example, as you know that it's a, let's suppose if we have accessing Dynamic CRM online on cloud, on cloud, and now I have configured my Dynamic CRM with my Outlook, okay, or with my mobile device. Okay, so once, so I can create new records into that. I can generate reports, or I can create reports, or enter new data into that. If I, and even if I don't have any net connection, if I don't have internet, still I'm able to work on Dynamics CRM. And once I got the connection, once I'm online, I can easily synchronize the data with an online application. So the data, so once we go online, the data will be synchronized automatically. So there is an offline feature which is not available with any other CRM, which is only available with this Dynamic CRM, right? So it's a complete sales process, as you can see here, with sales management process. Like first of all, we'll be going to generate leads or create leads. Then we'll qualify the leads, whether, okay, and once the lead is qualified, we'll convert those leads into opportunity. And once the opportunity also qualify, let's the customer is ready to buy a product with us or ready to place an order with us, we'll create quotes, and we'll send that code, or we'll send an email to send the codes to the customer through an email, and once the customer give us an confirmation, we'll create order, and then we'll generate invoice, and again that invoice will be sent to the customer in hard copy or in the form of soft copy, right? So it's a complete sales process. So basically it gives a complete view of customer data online or offline, and leverages tools that enable your sales professional to get real-time access to leads, identify cross-sell and upsell opportunities, and close more deals faster. So it's a sales process. And next, if I'll talk about the customer care functionality, this is customer care. Like customer care is basically this one, the third one, the customer care functionality, the third functional area, customer care. So what is the customer care functionality? Basically, it provides more values to customer, accounts and contact management, cases and interaction management, product and contract management, knowledge base management, service scheduling, and all. Now so basically what's the purpose of this? Why we have got this functionality in Dynamics CRM? Because by using this customer care functionality, we can respond faster to customer service. Means the customer, if they have any issues, we can respond faster to them. We can sort out their issues very quickly and faster. And so whenever any customer register a complaint, it's stored as a case. So a case will generate, a case number will generate, and we can set the priority of the case, whether it's a high priority case or a low priority case, and based on the priority we can interact with it, we can work on it. Okay, and we can provide solutions to our customers. Or if the solution is not available, we can create new solutions as well within this customer care functionality. Okay, so these are the features available in customer care functionality. And also we have a workflow across teams and group. So let's suppose we can quickly set up a workflow, we can quickly assign the cases, or we can quickly assign the uh, we can quickly assign cases to our customer care team, that you will be going to handle this complaint, or you have to handle that to that customer, you have, or the customer issues you have to manage it. So that everything will mean we have an automated system here, and we can keep tracking as well, whether the customer case or the customer issues has been resolved or not. So we can maintain that within this customer care functionality of Dynamics CRM. Next, we have a marketing functionality. So basically, what is marketing functionality? It gives a clear view of customer and more informed marketing investment. And it's a basically we have got a again in this we have a workflow driven model in marketing functionality as well. So in marketing, basically, as you know, that in every organization or in any company, if they are trying to sell a product, so marketing is very important. Okay, because without marketing of any product, the product will not be sold. So if they want to increase their sale, if they want to make more profit, they have to mark they have to do the marketing of their product properly. So that we can do within this marketing functionality. So as you can see here, we have campaign planning and execution. So we can plan a campaign that where we are trying to okay, so what type of campaign we are planning to do, what will be the budgeted cost, everything. So everything can manage within this. And based on the information, we can generate reporting. If I want to see that how much means how much money I have spent in campaign in this year, in current financial year, so I can easily or we can easily generate a report on that, right? Okay, so that's the marketing functionality. So you can see here it's a marketing process. In this marketing process, as you can see here, first of all, the company, they will plan and do the planning and budgeting of for a product. So once they have, so and after that, they are creating and managing list. Then they're planning and create campaigns, and after that they launch and managing campaigns. And after the product has been launched, means the campaign has been launched or campaign has been done, they will be tracking and reporting. Tracking means what type of tracking? Tracking means when they do the campaign, they will communicate with the customers, they will get in touch with the customers, or they generate some leads from the campaign. So now after the campaign has been completed, they will be going to follow to the customers that we have getting. So we I mean, so we had a discussion or we had a meeting about this product. So are you interested in buying a product from us? Means these kind of information we can keep tracking within this marketing process. And based on that, we can, based on the information, based on the report, based on the data, we can generate reports. And based on that report, the company or the decision makers, they can decide whether they have to go with the current product, or they have to update they have to do update in the product, or what type of marketing strategy they need to follow, so that they can sell more product or they can make more profit. So it's a complete marketing process. So this thing we can manage within our Dynamics CRM. So all these three functionalities can easily manage within Dynamics CRM. Okay, and if you are already using your existing application, if any existing application for marketing or for any other, you can easily integrate it with Dynamics CRM. Now, why choose Dynamics CRM? Because it can be customized to the specific needs of the business. So according to the business need, it can be customized. Implementation is straightforward as it is defined by customers. Centralized data. This is a very important point. Key, or I can say that it's a key point of a dynamic of CRM. We have got the centralized data, gives one interface for all customer information. So we have got a centralized data. So data is stored on a centralized basis, so that the information will be the sales team or the marketing team or the customer care team. They will always get the updated customer information as updated customer record. They don't have to wait for the updation. They will always get the updated customer data. And right, and ease of use and flexible reporting make it easy to identify actions. So reporting is pretty easy in Dynamics CRM. Just on a click, you don't have to write any code for that. Just drag and drop, and just on a click, you can easily create we can easily generate reports in CRM. Data is secure and permissions can be limited. So the data, which is, because the data is stored online, so in CRM, so if the data is stored online, so it will be secure. And okay, so data will be secure, the permissions are limited, and after the data, okay, and without proper authorization, nobody can access the data. Just a second. Right. Okay, and migrating existing contact data is a simple and reliable process. Let's suppose you have already stored customer data or contact data in any other format, so it can be easily migrated with Dynamics CRM data, right? Okay, it's very important that dynamic CRM, it fits for people and it fits for your business and it fits for the environment. So what about the fits for people? So the interface, so dynamic CRM has got a very familiar interface or user friendly interface, and it has got a wizard based tools, and it has got a very close integration with Microsoft Office systems like the Outlook or any other Microsoft product. And okay, so because of that, the Microsoft Dynamics CRM helps to achieve the best fit for the people. So it, because as I told you that it can be easily integrated with Outlook, with Office Outlook, so it is fit for all kind of people. Okay, and it can be easily adopted, it can be easily integrated with our existing product, uh, existing application if you are using. So it is fit for all kind of people. And not only we can integrate with our Office Outlook or our Outlook Express, we can easily work on MS Word or MS Excel spreadsheet software. Okay, and to create dashboards and personal workflows and wizard based tool. Okay, and then we can easily integrate with that with our dynamic CRM. So that's why it fits for all kind of people. Now, how about fits for business? Why is fits for business? Because Dynamic CRM provide choice and flexibility in how you implement and customize your CRM application, so that you can achieve the best fit for your business. So because Dynamic CRM has got workflows and approval processes, okay, Dynamic CRM has got a it has got easy to use point and click customization to quickly modify. Okay, and it aligns IT and business goals through a CRM system that meets both IT requirement as well as the business requirement, right? So that's why it fits for all kind of business, for a small business, for a big enterprise. So it fits for all kind of business, from small enterprises to a big enterprises. And it's a subscription based model, so according to your requirement, according to your business, you can go for a subscription. Now it fits for environment because it is easily adaptable and easily affordable. As I told you that it is easily affordable, and so we can easily deploy and maintain the CRM application, the dynamic CRM application. If you have installed the dynamic CRM on your premises, we can easily manage it as well. So it fits for all kind of environment as well, right? And it easily connects to other technologies. It has got, like, if I want to integrate my dynamic CRM with any other CRM like Salesforce CRM or any other application, it can be easily integrated. So that's why it fits for all kind of environment as well. Now I was talking about, if I'll talk about the deployment options, so these are basically three types of deployment options available with dynamic CRM. And the most popular is the online cloud. Why online cloud? Because in online cloud, the customer or the organization, they don't have to maintain anything. They don't have to manage database at their end. They don't have to manage application at their end. They can simply access the application online. They just go online and access the dynamic CRM application online by using internet connection and a browser. You don't need high configuration systems. You can simply access dynamic CRM online. Okay, and you don't need a big IT team, IT network team, or IT support team as well. So this is the most popular, or this is the most this type of deployment is mostly used by the organization. But there is a issue with this. The issue is that you cannot the date you then you don't have control on your data. Control in the sense, you don't have control on your, means it might possible that uh, means you cannot manage the data totally on this. Okay, and if you and you don't have control for upgradation as well. Let's suppose a new version comes in the market for dynamic CRM and you don't want to upgrade your application, but if you are accessing dynamic CRM online, then you don't have a control on that, and it will be automatically upgraded. You can't stop it. So that's the only disadvantage of online cloud. Okay, and one more thing, that it depends on your net speed as well, because all the information is coming through cloud. So if your net speed is slow, then it might possible that your work will be slow. In on premises, this deployment option here, the companies or the organization, they install the software on their own facilities, on their own hardware that they provide. Okay, and they maintain everything by themselves, like the database, the application, they maintain by themselves. Okay, and on-premises deployment requires server hardware, so it is the slowest of the three deployment option to get up and running. If you have to order new gear, means if you want to maintain it, it will be little slow because you are maintaining everything at your end. You are maintaining database, you are maintaining hardware, you have to maintain hardware, you have to maintain software or application, you have to you require a team to manage your database, so everything. So this will be only possible for a big organization. They have got a huge infrastructure, so that is good for them, and they are ready to spend on that. But for a small organization, those who don't want to spend a lot of money on that, they don't want to spend a cost on that, they will go with this online cloud solution. Okay, but we have got third one also, partner hosted. Partner hosted is a combination of on premises and on cloud. What is the meaning for this? It means that someone else is hosting the application for ourselves, although we are accessing the application through cloud, but it is not, the data is not accessed by the CRM. That means the data is not maintained by the CRM. That company or that organization is maintaining the database for our end. Or I can say that the third party, they have provided us a space or an infrastructure where we can where we can manage our application, we can manage our database, and we are connecting to that application, or we are accessing that database through online, through cloud. Okay, so on premises, on partner hosted, we have a full control that whether we want to update our application or not, because it might possible the database which we are using or the application which we are using, once we upgrade the data, it might upgrade the application. It might possible that it will not easily integrate with our existing database or any existing application. Okay, so then we have to integrate again, means it. So there might be some issues while upgrading the application, or if we don't if we, okay, so that we can control only on premises and on partner hosted. We cannot manage that on cloud, online or in cloud deployment options, right? Now if I'll talk about the Microsoft Dynamics CRM momentum, over 2.7 million users in more than 80 countries with 40 plus languages. It is the fastest CRM vendor to reach 1 million user, and it has got 36,000 customers from small to enterprises, and there are over 1200 software and service partner with CRM competency. So it's a dynamic CRM momentum. Now if I'll talk about the Gartner, as you can see here, it's a Gartner chart, and we'll see let the where the dynamic CRM is rated here. So if you'll see here that Microsoft Dynamics CRM drives strong value and usability with an outcome driven experience that is seamless across devices. And the dynamic CRM falls within leaders quadrant. You can see it falls within leaders quadrant. And okay, and if you'll see this, it has got a business intelligence, data warehousing, unified communication like email, web chat, videos, voice, and collaboration and workflow management, integration infrastructure, application infrastructure. So all these are the features of dynamic CRM. Okay, so that's why it falls within the leaders quadrant of Gartner, right? So it has got the completeness of vision, it has got completeness of vision and the ability to execute. So it has got the total completeness of vision and ability to execute. That's why it falls in the leader quadrant, right? So that's all from my side in dynamic CRM, and that is about dynamic CRM. And if we'll see the licensing version, if we'll talk about the licensing version and all, or about the uh, creating an application, creating how to register on dynamic CRM and all, so that we'll be going to see in our